What does it mean to live sustainably? Clothes, toys, electronics, and building materials. These are just some of the products that are manufactured using resources that will run out one day. Yet our society continues to buy, sell, and dispose of these products as if we could go on forever. Consuming more than we need creates two problems. Firstly, we waste limited resources that may be essential in the future. Secondly, we add to our growing waste problem. All of our unwanted stuff has to go somewhere. When we buy more than we need, we are creating problems for the future. We need to change the way we live so that we can coexist in our surroundings without damaging them. When we live sustainably, we balance our needs with the needs of the planet as a whole. This means farming responsibly, buying conservatively, reducing our waste, and reusing or recycling as many things as we can. Sustainability is about only buying the things we need rather than the things we want. It's easy to get caught up in the desire to have the latest gadgets, games, and accessories. But do we really need them? As consumers, we are bombarded with images and messages designed to convince us to part with our money. Clothing and electronics manufacturers encourage us to spend our money needlessly, without any concern for the environment. Planned obsolescence is a manufacturing policy that creates products with a view to them swiftly becoming useless, out of fashion, or obsolete. These companies want their products to break, so that we will buy more. Many people routinely replace their mobile phones every 2 to 3 years. Tech companies make their products obsolete by intentionally limiting the battery life after only a few short years. This culture of obsolescence is a direct cause of our growing levels of waste. At the present time, only 9% of the world's plastic is recycled. In landfill, a typical plastic bottle is expected to take 450 years to degrade. Worse still, microplastics in our oceans are now being detected in the food chain. So what can we do to reduce our waste and start to consume our resources more sustainably? Firstly, we need to develop a culture of reducing, reusing, and recycling. We consumers need to demand change by refusing to buy products that cannot be recycled. When we need to make a purchase, buy quality and pay more. Good quality clothing can be worn for many years and repaired rather than thrown away. When buying food, cut down on transport-related carbon emissions by buying locally. Think carefully about the foods you eat. Does it contain meat or dairy? How far is it being transported? Simply cutting out red meat for 1 day per week will lower your carbon emissions by 100 kilograms per year. That's the same as a 300-mile car journey. Finally, try to limit your use of fossil fuels. Switch to a green energy tariff, cut down on wasted energy, and where possible, walk instead of driving. If we all commit to making a few small changes, collectively we can make a big difference.